Everybody, welcome back to Draw for Fun. I'm Kevin, and today I think we're going to be doing a Frankenstein face. Somebody had asked about a Frankenstein face. I'm trying to get rid of this shadow here for a minute. Hold on. So I think we're gonna, I guess that's it, huh? You guys got enough light? I think it should be okay. I think we're going to do a Frankenstein face for Johnny, who wrote to me in an email. He wants to just have a nice, easy Frankenstein so he could draw it. So I said, okay, I'll do a Frankenstein. So here we are. Today's episode is all about that. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off getting our paper and our marker, our crayons, pencils, whatever. Come to the paper here. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that's going to give us an idea about how big we want them, okay, on our paper. Right, and that right there, from that line, we're going to come down and make kind of like a C there. Come up here, come out, and make another C going that way. Right, and attach that. Just like that. Underneath that is where we're going to start his eyes. So we're going to do one eye, and we're going to do another eye. Try and make them fairly even. Right? Inside, another circle. Another circle. Then we're going to do one more circle. Just like that. Okay? Now on this we're going to put a highlight. That means make a little circle there and then color that in. And leave that white part. So we're going to make a little circle over here. We're going to color the rest in. Okay. Now, real easy. You can go like this, and we can make a nice little nose. I'm going to do a line like that, do a line like that, and do a line like that for his nose. Okay. Underneath his eyes, we're going to put a bag. Then we're going to come back over to here where we started that forehead. Right. We're going to do an ear right off about here. Going to just draw a nice little circle for an ear. And just kind of make a squiggly like that. Make a line there. That's going to be the start of his cheek. And we're going to come down to about here, and we're going to make his chin. Go back up, and then come over to here and do the same thing on this side. Try to make it kind of the same, alright? Make an ear. Make a little line for his ear. Cheek. And then down. Just like that. We're going to put the bolts of his neck right here. Because Frankenstein has bolts on his neck. We're just going to make two things like this. One. Two. Okay. For his mouth, you can make any kind of expression you want. I'm just going to do a line like that. Alright. Now, when you get to the top, right from here we're going to go up, come over, and come down, and we're going to attach it right there, and that's his head. Now he has to get some kind of hair, right? So for his hair, we're just going to make little points like this. And when you get to the side, we're just going to come down and attach it to that line we just did. Same with over here. Make a couple of points, and then come down and attach it to that line. See how that worked out? Now all that gets colored in black. And of course, Frankenstein, you can make them green. Most people color them green. I might not do the coloring of the green, because it just makes for a longer video. and then you guys have to sit there and wait for me to color it. But you get the idea. So this is just a simple, easy way to draw a Frankenstein face. For Halloween, you can make your own decorations. Hang them around in your house. Then later on down the road on the channel, we'll do a full Frankenstein and with full body and his hands out and walking and moaning, whatever, you know, whatever you guys feel like. Right now I'm just trying to color his hair in. It's making my camera shake a little, that's why I don't really color that much on the table here till I can mount my camera. I want to mount my camera on the ceiling above it, and then I can color all I want. And then I'll go all out. Right now with this setup, I just got to kind of take it easy because the video is going to shake when I color. Alright, now he is missing one thing. What is he missing? Can you tell me? Right, Frankenstein got a scar, doesn't he? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my red marker. I'm going to put a scar through his head. Well, that's kind of red. That'll be enough. I'm going to outline it with the black. Just a little on the outside. Just leave a little bit of that red. So that way it looks like that. Then we're going to give him some, like, stitches. And that'll make his scar look kind of cool. Okay. Now we can dress him up just a little bit with maybe some yellow in his eyes. And again, I would color his face green. Maybe the bolts on his neck you can make a different color if you like. Okay, and right there is basically the little Frankenstein head. So I hope that helped you, Johnny, and I hope you could draw Frankenstein now. Let me know how you liked it. I will see you in the next video.